What's good, everybody? Welcome back to East Coast RC. And today we have a very special video because, oh boy, you could probably tell just by looking at it. This was the cheapest RC car on banggood.com, or whatever the domain is. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, I paid $6 for this, Canadian. So for you American boys, that's probably even less. So you can see it on screen right now if I have the picture of it. That is how much I paid. So we're going to unbox it and see just how garbage it is, or if it's any good. But just by looking at it, you can already tell. So we'll take a look at the box. So you have 8 plus for the age. Remote control, wow. High speed motor. Somehow I doubt that one. It's the bottom. And those are the colors it came in. I went with the gray, but I guess you could call it Mazarine, or desert color. Yeah. So anyway, let's open her up and see what's inside. This can only be good. There's no way this is a piece of junk. It is going to be the best RC I've ever owned. Okay. And there you go. Already broken? Maybe? No. These are pieces. Okay, so this fell out. So we got to put that back in. There we go. So, yeah, no shocks. It has an antenna. It actually feels kind of sturdy, although it's very cheap. You can tell. It feels like something you'd buy at the Dollarama. 3 AAA, double A's, sorry. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? It's, it only steers one direction. Oh my. That's going to be terrible. And here I thought maybe this was actually usable for like just messing around on the desk, but no. Oh my God. Okay. This is terrible. You know when you're a kid and you go to the dollar store and you buy like the fake like police outfits or like the fireman outfits and they come with a little plastic walkie-talkie? This is exactly what that feels like. Oh my God. I know it's $6 and you get what you pay for, but wow. Just wow is all I can really say. I'm gonna go get some batteries because we don't need to charge anything. It just takes double A's. And we'll try this bad boy out. Oh boy. It's so not good. Oh, I went to put the batteries in it and it broke in half, bro. Look at this. Oh no. Oh God, that's all that's left. Just look, it's not even attached. And I went to fix it. And I ended up just breaking it in half, straight in half. So, wow, wonderful, guys. Great. I didn't even get to drive it. Oh boy. That was so much worse than I thought. Like, wow. Wow, guys. Look at it go. Look at this. It almost moves. Isn't that crazy? So in conclusion, don't buy this. Please, do yourself a favor. Take your $6, buy yourself some lunch, rethink what you were doing, And don't buy this. This is garbage. I didn't even get to drive it, and it fell apart on me. The first bump this hit, the wheels would have flew off of it. That's if I even could have hit a bump because the thing doesn't drive. Oh man. I'm actually kind of mad, but I'm not because it was $6 and I knew that's exactly what I was getting. Like, this is lower than Wish quality. This is terrible. The only redeeming part of this is the shell of the truck is kind of cool looking. That's it. You could probably put it on something with a better undercarriage if you really wanted to, but like, why? Why would you? Oh, don't buy this. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video as half as much as I enjoyed making it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. That's the best way to support me if you want me to keep making videos. And yeah, I bought this so you don't have to. Please don't.